Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm still a little bit confused, but I think I understand a little bit more what he's wanting to do is separate the people. So if you go to Group and Object and ungroup this, you see the people. But if we look at it by left-click fill and right-click, we'll do it in red just so they stand out. You've got these other globs. So we can do two things. We've still got our nudge factor. One thing we can do is get rid of that object we found in the earlier video. And we're going to set our nudge factor on 3 inches. And you could just fill in that item, and that item. And now you have this person. Now he's all black, but if you wanted to combine it, you go to Object and Combine, and that's one person out of the group. Now the only thing still, if we go to View and Wireframe, it's still got those parts. Now the other way to do it, and if you were going to do all the people, you could just, we have to take off Wireframe, go back to Enhance. You could cut out the lines, and probably would be my preference in case you were ever going to cut out these people. These interior lines would not be there to accidentally cut out. And it just takes a little bit of time. And like this gentleman's knee, and kind of hard to tell. There's actually I think a book, but this lady has some problems underneath her underarm. That little space is the space between her arm and her body, I'm pretty sure. So you could just get rid of all these lines and then just take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in, fill that in, fill that in, and you've got 3 people. And then, of course, you know, the book that this gentleman is holding, you could just ungroup these from the previous video. We'll break the curve apart and then just grab that one book and nudge it up twice, and then you have those 3 people. And then that way, when you look at it with left click, right click, there's no lines, and you could actually cut these people out. I'm hoping to understand a little bit more now, but I'm not 100% sure that's what he just said I didn't separate the people. So now the people are separated, and you could do each person, and then that person is separated from the other people. And you could, pretty cool, because you could move them around whatever order you wanted to. Anyway, I hope that was his answer, and thank you for watching.